Effortless folder navigation in Vim is essential for efficient workflow. The initial segment of the video highlights the synergy between two Vim 9 script plugins that create a fuzzy Finder pop-up for recently accessed folders. The top directories are sourced from NRW bookmarks, while additional folders are drawn from files with marks saved in the Vim info file. Additionally, a convenient keyboard shortcut enables users to view a list of 10 selectable directories from the current location, which have files that have been recently modified. In Vim, the mksession command lets you store the current state of your editing session to a file, preserving your open files, window layouts, and any modified settings to create a snapshot of your environment. This feature is particularly beneficial for managing complex projects, allowing you to pause your work and easily resume it later. Moreover, this plugin loads the configuration saved in the session file when you navigate into a directory that contains one. This functionality ensures that your previous editing environment is automatically restored, allowing for a seamless transition between projects and enhancing your overall workflow. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. For more information and links to the blog post and feedback form, please take a look at the description. Your likes are crucial for the channel, so don't forget to click that button. Subscribe for more content.